Hi, n- today we're going to talk about how to create an effective email marketing campaign. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending emails to a group of recipients with the intention of promoting a business product or services, building relationship with customers, and encouraging engagement. A successful email marketing campaign aims to prompt recipients to take specific actions such as making a purchase, signing up for a webinar, or engaging with content. Here are the essential steps to create an effective email marketing campaign. Number one, build a targeted email list. Start with a list of qualified leads who are interested in your offering. Convert website visitors into subscribers using strategies like intent pop-ups, which can increase your chances of retaining visitors who might otherwise leave your site. Number two, know your goals. Set clear objectives for your campaign. Typical goals may include welcoming new subscribers, boosting engagement, nurturing existing subscribers, re-engaging inactive subscribers, and segmenting your audience for more targeted messages. Number three, understand email types. Familiarize yourself with different email types, including promotional emails that focus on offers, relational emails that provide value, and transactional emails that confirm actions taken by subscribers. Number four, know your audience. Understand who your audience is to tailor your content effectively. Use insights gathered from previous campaigns to refine your approach over time. Number five, use technology wisely. Leverage email marketing services that offer features like campaign automation, audience segmentations, and in-depth analytics to enhance your efforts and improve outcomes. Number six, create great opt-ins. Design appealing opt-in into forms to encourage sign-ups. Try different formats such as welcoming gates, lightbox pop-ups, and exit intent pop-ups to determine what works best for your audience. Number seven, plan emails and follow-ups. Outline your email frequency, type content, and the main actions you want to subscribers to take. Consider crafting a series of emails to nurture relationships with new subscribers. Number 8. Craft your subject line. Develop compelling subject lines that entice recipients to open your emails. Keep them concise and position the most crucial information at the beginning. Number 9. Write the copy. Create engaging email content by starting with a hook, keeping the copy concise, and personalizing messages including by value, information, and compelling calls to action. Number 10. Focus on email marketing design. Use responsive email template to ensure your emails render well on various services and devices. Prioritize text over images and ensure that important information is accessible even if the images are blocked. And finally, on 11, test and track. After sending, monitor email performance metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber feedback. Testing different aspects of your email can help you identify successful strategies for future campaigns. By following these steps, business can craft email marketing campaigns that effectively engage their audience, foster loyalty,